Welcome to day 4 of the 12 days of Christmas trees. And I'm going to share with you how I made this nautical Christmas tree. So let's get going. Let me share with you step by step how I was able to create this beautiful Christmas tree.
Uli designs, unique expressions.
The first thing I'm doing is removing the tinsel out of this plastic tree form that I got at the Dollar Tree. And then I'm going to spray paint the tree using this white spray paint. I let it dry completely to then add this beautiful cotton nautical robe all around the tree form. Using hot glue, I'm going to just go in sections and making sure that I'm covering the tree completely, just like this. And I'm going to secure it on the top with tape and hot glue. And now the fun part begins. I'm going to add all these ornaments to the tree. But first, I'm going to add this copper gilding wax on top just to give a little bit more interest to all of them. I feel that I needed a little bit more. And then at the bottom, I'm going to just glue this robe. This will add the rustic and the nautical look I'm going for.
Making our Christmas memories. I've been working so much lately, I can barely find.
Now I'm going to add all the little ornaments, and I decided to just do by section and repeat the same motif in each section. But this is just my preference. You can always alternate your decorations as you wish. So much fun. I think it needs something at the bottom, so I'm going to add a little bit more, and I'm going to add these cherries and this ribbon that says Merry Christmas, keeping the same color scheme. And that's it. I think it came out adorable.
Making our Christmas memories.
So what do you think? I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel if you haven't done that, and don't forget to hit the bell notification so every time I upload a new video you will be notified. Merry Christmas until next time. Goodbye.